Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these easy keto bacon wrapped chicken thighs. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. I'm going to show you how to make these bacon wrapped chicken thighs. They are so flavorful and they're really easy. Let me show you how. First we've got 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. So you can't really buy bone-in skinless chicken thighs at the grocery store. So buy them bone in, and then we want to remove the skin. It's really easy to remove the skin. You essentially can just rip it right off, and then on the edge here, we're just going to finish it and cut this edge right off. This cuts off all the skin. And easy as that, we have a skin off bone-in chicken thigh. Okay, now we've got our chicken thighs all prepped. I'm gonna make the rub for the chicken thighs. I've got 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard. So I'm gonna stir all of these spices up. And then we're going to use it to season both sides of the chicken. Just going to sprinkle it on both sides. Okay, so now I've got 6 slices of bacon, and I'm going to wrap each piece of each chicken thigh with the bacon, seam side down, place it onto the sheet pan. So let me show you how I do that. I'm going to take one of our chicken thighs, one of our pieces of bacon. I just like to start in the middle, kind of like crosswise, and then just put the seams on the bottom like that. You could also stretch it a little bit, and then you would still end up with a seam, and then you'd get 2 wraps around the top. Either way, you just want to make sure that the ends are underneath so they stay tucked in, just like that. I'm going to finish wrapping these up. And then these are going to go in a 375-degree oven. Okay, these are ready to go. 375-degree oven for about 45 minutes. You want to make sure that the bacon gets cooked nicely to your liking, and they are 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. Okay, our bacon wrapped chicken thighs are out of the oven and they look amazing. The bacon got nice and crispy, so I'm going to cut a bite. Of course, what's not to love? Delicious chicken thigh and bacon. Really nicely seasoned. So good. I personally would have one of these with a nice bowl of soup, so be sure you check out this recipe for my keto broccoli cheese soup. It is amazing. So check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.